tinga, tinga, tinga. Tinga, 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 tinga. Tinga, tinga is a land full of stories and surprises.
Tell me about it.
If you like to wonder why, Tinga Tinga is a land of wise.
You won't believe your eyes.
Why I swing from tree to tree.
One more trunk is long.
Why I'm so
Why I
slow.
take, why my skin is smooth and slick.
You ask why?
Why?
You ask why?
There's a story. Lots of stories beneath the Tinga sky. Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. Why ostrich sticks her head in the ground.
Watch out!
You see, even though ostrich could fly, just like any other bird,
Watch out, everyone!
she couldn't fly very well.
Watch out!
Duck, everyone!
That was a very big duck.
It's not a duck elephant. It's ostrich.
Just an easy bit more practice, that's all.
Will you two keep it down?
That's it. That's it.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
I must get up to the moon.
Some of us are trying to get some sleep here. Will you two try and keep...
Spider, watch out! Coming in for a crash land.
Are you all right?
Just a little more practice, I think. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
I must get up to the moon.
Listen, Jackal, if you want to get up to that moon so much, do something about it.
But I've tried everything.
Jumping?
Doesn't work.
Climbing?
Uh-uh.
What about flying?
Flying?
I don't know. Flying. Get some feathers. Fly up to the moon yourself.
Where am I going to get feathers?
I know just the place. Walk this way.
Spider, I can't walk that way. I'm a jackal.
Come on. Look at the size of those feathers. Yeah, I could spin them into lovely wings just for you.
Really? Then I could fly up to the moon.
But that's just not going to be enough.
Spider, ostrich will wake up.
Oh, nothing wakes ostrich. Luckily, she sleeps like a buffalo.
Okay, then. I'll start at the other end. Then I could fly up to the moon.
Oh dear, look at ostrich.
Poor thing.
Some beast has been up to something.
Bet it was hyena. He's always up to something.
What are we going to say to ostrich?
Nice legs. But they are.
We have to be honest.
Jambo, everyone. It's a bit chilly this morning.
Well, that might be because,
Ostrich, you have been plucked. Some naughty beast has plucked all the feathers from your neck and your legs.
But if you don't mind me saying, they do look rather nice.
My legs have been plucked.
And your neck.
My neck, too? My neck and my legs. Oh, whatever do I look like?
A very big chicken.
Elephant! Jumbo, everyone! What's up?
Nothing.
Who is the overgrown chicken? Hyena, did you have anything to do with this? Me? No. Yummy. Perfect for a tiny, weeny little nip.
Hey,
Hyena!
leave ostrich alone.
Just a little nibble.
Watch out, ostrich. Hyena is going to nip you. Fly, ostrich, fly.
Be careful, ostrich. He's behind you.
Oh, no! I don't think I can fly without my feathers.
Then run, ostrich, run.
Come here, ostrich.
Go, ostrich.
Yeah.
Behind you. Run, ostrich, run.
Come on. I'll get you.
I'm faster than you.
Ostrich. Come on.
Wow, for a big bird, she can really move.
I'll get you.
Gotta catch me first. Hey, yeah! I enjoyed the running, but need to practice the stopping.
Wanyama, animals.
Oh, no. Don't let lions see me like this, please.
Hide, ostrich. Hide.
Hide.
Yes, go on.
Now, what's this I hear about ostrich?
Some beast has stolen her feathers.
Hyena?
No, for once it wasn't hyena.
Well, we must find the feathers and the animal who stole them.
Oh, yes, Your Majesty.
Now, where is ostrich? Don't be silly, monkey. That's a bush. Oh, ostrich is behind the bush. Ostrich?
Jumbo, Your Majesty?
Are you all right down there?
Yes.
Remarkable. I would never have known it was you.
Well, some beast stole my feathers.
Yes, I see.
May I make a suggestion, Your Majesty?
Be my guest, tortoise.
We take one more of ostrich's feathers. Elephant? Sorry, ostrich. And then when night falls, we go into the...
Of course.
And then we will catch the thief.
That's brilliant.
Over this way. Oh, there's a good spot over there. Now, ostrich, bury your head in the ground. And we'll leave this feather right there. Now we'll catch this naughty thief.
Just a few more feathers, Jackal. Then I can make you the biggest and best pair of wings.
Yes, and then I can fly all the way up to the moon.
You see? There's one. Wait, oh.
It's Jackal and Spider.
And what do you think you are doing?
Me? Nothing. I'm not doing anything. Who said that?
Stealing feathers, eh? Jackal, did you steal ostrich's feathers?
No, I didn't. It wasn't me. It was Spider.
You helped.
What? No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Aha, so you both stole them.
Yes. Oh, talking bush. We did steal them.
Please leave us alone, talking bush.
Talking bush, show yourself.
Ostrich?
Ostrich?
Jackal and Spider, there will be no stealing in Tinga Tinga. Now, give Ostrich her feathers back.
Actually, Your Majesty, I don't want my feathers back. I wasn't very good at flying, and I like running much better.
And she's really good.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
This time you two are very lucky. Now, scuttle off and don't bother Ostrich again.
There you are, you great big chicken.
Hyena!
Yeah? Oh, she's gone. I don't believe it. Where is she? Ostrich, where are you? Where are you?
From that day on, whenever Ostrich wanted to hide, she just turned into a bush. And that's why Ostrich sticks her head in the ground.
Has Hyena gone?
He'll never find you, Ostrich.
Ostrich! Ostrich, where are you? I'm going to find you and get you soon.
And Hyena? Well, that's a whole other story. Cheza, cheza! Come on, dance! Imba, imba! Come on, sing! Shuka, shuka! Shake it down! Woo-hoo. Ruka, ruka! Jump around! Woo! Tales from Africa! Tales from Africa!